Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to add items to your cart on Alibaba using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, type the product you want in the search bar. When the result appears, scroll until you find the one you like. Tap on the product to see the details. Here you can see the price, minimum order quantity, shipping options and reviews. Make sure it's exactly what you want before adding it to your cart. Before adding to the cart, select the color, quantity, size or other option if needed. Some products require a minimum order, so make sure you meet that. Finally, tap add to cart button. Alibaba will confirm your item is in the cart. You can keep shopping and add more items or go to your cart to review everything before checkout. And that's it. Adding items to your Alibaba cart on your iPhone is quick and easy. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.